Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Karen to Clean. We are in my living room, yes again, but this time, I am going to be doing some light cleaning type of thing, cleaning some areas that I normally don't do and all that. But what I'm doing is I'm actually refreshing this place with a spring decorate, because I did an early spring decorate, but now I'm really officially spring decorating my living room especially, and a little bit of the kitchen. But anyway, so so I'm starting out on the fireplace mantle area and all that, kind of replacing the art piece that was there, and then we'll get to cleaning in the living room here in a minute. But anyway, I wanted to kind of share something with you guys and everything like that. One thing I am trying to do is I'm trying to do a little bit more motivating type of content and cleaning and all that stuff. And in this video, I'm not fast forwarding through it, I'm not speeding through the process or whatnot, but I did kind of chop up the stuff a little bit, so that way it wouldn't be because it would have been a really long video or whatnot. So I just did the main stuff that needed to be shown and all that stuff. So this is real live, not speeding through it or anything like that, just doing some cleaning and some decorating and all that. And you'll also see me doing an evening clean in my kitchen, and I also do a little small decorate in my kitchen as well. So anyway, that's what you're going to see in this video. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play some calm music. Oh, one more thing, somebody's going to make a surprise visit towards the end of this video. I'm not going to say who it is, but you're going to be surprised. Anyway, so stay tuned to the very end. Okay guys, I'm going to play some music and probably some calm music and all that stuff. But anyway, hope you like this kind of content. If you do, make sure you do subscribe, comment, share, do all the things. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.
Well, it's that time again where we had to get groceries. So we got the grocery haul. We have our sweet tooth. We got some Brahms ice cream, one with A2, one without. We've got some bagels. We got some flossers. We got a fig bar. We got some applesauce, some pecans, and sweet potatoes, some sweet cream butter, A2 certified and one that's not, 3 waters. We got cranberry Jubilee mix. We got some icing for the brownies. We have York mix. We got some spinach. We got some fajita quesadillas and some smaller tortillas and some red potatoes and TP. And that's it for the grocery haul. In a nutshell. Here.
You gonna say bye?
Bye.
Are you really kidding me with that? Come on, dear.
So you want me to go bye-bye?
At least doing bye-bye, that's a little bit more comical than that.
All right, dear. Is it on?
Yes, it's still recording.
All right. I also forgot about the white corn tortilla chips. And that's all we got. Bye-bye!
Yeah.
Is that okay?
I guess.
Oh,
no!
we don't need this.
All right, guys. Well, anyway, my husband normally stop tickling me, dear. My husband hardly ever gets on camera. So anyway, we're gonna say goodnight to you guys. All right. Hope you enjoy the grocery haul. Bye bye.